All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got Nayici Core Wave in titanium right over here on the table. But before I'm gonna go ahead and check this bad boy out, you know what you guys can do? Check out Fablades.com. See what is going on up there. There's some fidget toys, some pocket knives, some flashlight, some consignment items. That's right. You can send us your toys, knives, fidget, whatever you want, and we are going to take care of them, selling them, and you are just gonna get the money. How cool is that? Anyways, oops, let's go ahead and check this guy out. Some spare part that are coming out from the little pouch. No biggie. We got everything under control. And this is an example of the consignment program. So somebody played with it, somebody sent it to us, we are gonna sell it, and that's how we do it. And he's gonna get the money, so he gets to play and to avoid all the shenanigans going on with eBay or like a Facebook Marketplace or whatever, you know, no hassle. Here you send it to us, we're gonna take care of everything, and we are going to sell it. Anyways, before we check that out, let's see the spare parts. You got some extra balls, bearings, you have some certificate, you have some stickers, one more sticker from Nayici, another magnet and ball bearing set, and of course your tool to take it apart and fix it, maintain it, repair it, do whatever you need to do. Here it is. Look at this, Nayici Core Wave in titanium. It's a very interesting slider, modern, futuristic look, very lightweight. In fact, I want to check the weight. If I'm able to find the scale, we just disappeared. No, here it is. All right, let's see. What do we have here? Because this is going to be in your pocket, right? So you want to know that this is going to be, look, 168 ounces. So this is a pretty lightweight toy indeed. You're going to disassemble from there. You can have all these rods like installed right there, so pretty easy. Just take this apart, the thing just comes off. You want to do it? Sure, why not? Let's do it. So it's gonna be a live process. We're gonna share the impressions with you, because like right now, that's the mechanism. So it goes 2 stops, 3, and a lot of more stops on that side. So I'm assuming we just have to remove these 2. So let's try. Right? So let's take it easy and see the difference, because I never experienced the other option. So hopefully there's no springs, not too many, and this thing is not gonna jump, but at least I'm doing the guinea pig. Okay, so make sure. So let's see, this is there, so probably, let's see, be gentle, be slow. Okay, that's good. So we still have, oh, these are gonna be installed like that, I'm guessing, right? So like so. All right, let's do it. Let's install all the rods and see how's the difference in feel. Make sure you hold with your finger the magnet so it doesn't come off, right? Because the rods are in stainless steel. so they obviously gonna attract the magnet out. And a couple more. There's also some spare ones, so don't worry if you lose a couple. Here you go. So this is in. Of course, changes the weight, right? Okay. I like it. I like it a little bit more heavy. Before it was just a tad too light. I mean, it's light. It's a positive thing, of course. So just do this without stripping anything. So just make sure you don't over tighten anything. So that's fine. And let's do this side as well. I think this goes the other way around, to be honest, because it's not perfectly aligned. So this is my suspicion. So let's so there's two sides on the tool. So let's see if this is the case. Yeah, seems like it. Or is it? I don't know. We will never know. Maybe we will know. Anyways, that is this side. Here you go. And that's this side. Oops. You can also do something like that and like this. And go ahead and install this like so. I can say already that I like... it's noisier for sure. That's cool. But for some reason, it's a little bit off center. See, it's not perfectly centered. I mean, it's kind of is. It's all right, actually. Yeah. So anyways, two sides are different, obviously. You get to see Nayici on this side, Nayici on the other side. Titanium, plastic on the inside. A lot of spare parts. So you are good to go. You're not gonna lose anything, right? And you have a bunch of stickers, classic accessories for this interesting slider. The sound is unique, for sure. And it's an inexpensive one. I mean, simple constructions, of course, as you can see. So, there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.